Hello, everybody. My name is Sam Hipschman, and I am Lab Shul's Director of Community Organizing and Engagement. And I am so excited to be here today with Civic Circle's very own Stephen Silva. Hello, Stephen.
Hello, Sam. It's so great to be with you here today.
Stephen, can you tell us a little bit about Civic Circle and how you got involved?
Sure. So I actually heard about them through a radio interview with their founder, Eric Liu. And so it comes out of an organization based in Seattle called Citizen University. And they started as a result of the 2016 election and how many of us felt really powerless with what to do next. And so they sat there and said, well, what do people need right now to really engage civically? And they realized that there really isn't a space in our society, in our culture, to really engage civically outside of the normal election cycle. And so, what would it be like for us to take the stigma away from talking about politics? You know, because there are those three topics we're not allowed to talk about at the dinner table, and politics is one. What would it look like for us to have a space where we can all come together and really unpack and discuss together as one civic community what it looks like and what we feel. And so I think right after, a couple months this year, I think we're all feeling really anxious. I decided to become a fellow for this organization. And so this is part of my own commitment to do something, is to create that space.
Amazing. Thank you so much. That sounds incredible.
Mhm.
What do you think, for people who come to Civic Circle, what do you think they might get out of attending?
Yeah, so much like our own Shabbat programming, it's a ritualized version of what a gathering talking about American civics could look like. So they'll get a little bit of music, they'll get a little bit of poetry and art sometimes, and we're really going to go together, and that's part of the reason I have text here. We're going to go together and read a text and kind of unpack what it means for us in that moment. It also gives us a space and an opportunity, and that's why we're calling it Civic Circle, for us to come together in smaller groups and really talk about the times we're in. You know, it's important to act, and as part of our Get Out the Vote initiative, we have our Together Tuesdays to plan action. But I also think we need a space to just understand. And so these civic circles will be that space of understanding in a ritualized way.
Um, I can't wait to join you for this, Stefan. I'm really grateful that you're bringing this into the Lab Shul community. Our first Civic Circle will be on Saturday, October 24th at 3:30 p.m., right after Soul Spa. Come for Soul Spa and stay for Civic Circle. And our second Civic Circle will be on Tuesday, November 10th. That's 1 week after the election, from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And that's at the end of our Together Tuesday cycle. So I hope that you'll consider joining us. And thank you again, Stefan, for leading us in this new community effort.
Of course, and thank you, Lab Shul, for letting us have this space, because it is so important now more than ever.